Hello guys, Usha here. Welcome back to our channel. This is Gazette. Today, complete explanation. This video goes on beginner tutorial introduction in Premiere Pro. Okay guys, without wasting any time, let's do it. First open the Premiere Pro. Look like this. Then first will be open the new project. This is already I will do for the project. First will be create a new project. Look like this. There will be do for save means the browse to which folder you will be choosing for the means you can choosing for here. Same like that, the name also choosing, and otherwise you will be not choosing for anything and click OK. Then look like this. Then after this is for the interface of the Premiere Pro. Then look like this. This is for the Premiere FI interface. Then you can choosing for that any kind of interface also. First I will explain for that file. This is a new project teams sequence. Everything will be here only. You can create everything, the black videos, bar, tone, legend type, photo type, one caption, color matte, HD, transfer video, everything will be here only. This is for that not important, but this is project sequence project will be important. Then open project. All of them know about that Premiere Pro analytics. You can choosing for the design structure and using for the graphic designer you want means everything know for that open project. Then open team project. This is already know. This is open project only if you know about assistant not important for open team project. The open assembly. This is for the open assembly project will be open. You can check, otherwise is not important for that. Convert to the premium clip project. This is for important, but it's not important for now. Okay. And close for close means control W. We already know for control W. And closing project also. Project also closing. Close all project. If you can many projects will be open means all projects suddenly totally will be closed means closing all project. Save already all of them know. Save means control S. You save as means already save it. Otherwise it be I can change for the saving file means control shift S means shortcut for the save as and save for copy. Same copy for other files. Control all this means save all. This is kinda all of you know. Let's see settings means manage settings. It's not important. You use for the cloud, everything the internet will be. If you have this, you can change. You can settings for the cache is not important. Adopt timing links. This is for not important for the link media, and this is for the new import After Effects compositions. This is for the Premiere Pro, but you can that Adobe will be same company for the software will be Photoshop Illustrator for Premiere Pro After Effects. You can import for the After Effects composition means you can choosing for the here to that After Effects. Then import the image, videos, transition, everything will import means here only import. Control I in shortcut. Import recently which you can import that recently file means you can checking for the import recently. You can click and so going for that also. The export means export. You can complete the full package of the Premiere Pro settings, everything will be closed means you can export the video. How to export here in file to export media. Control and insert. Otherwise no for the file cut pro elaborate for the Premiere Pro. Now you can most important for the you can control and insert for that export video in Premiere Pro. Then going to properties to file means you can check it for the properties to that where it will change. Then project settings also. The scratch this will be fill means you can change for the scratch it, the capture video, capture audio, video preview, video audio preview, everything will be here. You can change for the browse to where it will be changing for the you can folder. I will change for my works YouTube business data video preview for the same content for at 140 GB to everything. You can change for the general settings will be that scratch project settings. It's not important. Internet settings also if you need You can click it and change it for the table. In here needs not need to project manager. This is for the project manager for the collecting copy new location. If you need for this location to another location, you can change it for the project location. You can set it for that. If you one folder will be choosing, and after you can change it for the folder. This is for the premium to start identify. You can going for file and project manager to change for that collector everything you can. Okay, this is for the easy. Then exit for the QP and edit, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, paste attribute, remove attribute, clear, dribble taking. Duplicate, select all, deselect, find, next label, remove unusual, cancel duplicate, steal, project, convert project to team project, keyboard shortcut, everything same like that. After that, you can know about the key frames will be changing for here and type it for that another key also means you can change it for the shortcuts will be already no application command. This is already D already have, so you can change it for any kind of creativity. You can. The same as you can everything cut, copy, paste everything. So all of them know for the meaning also, and you can check it for the shortcut also. Control Z, Control D, Control C, Control Shift V, everything. This means the duration, everything, the modification, video option, automation, sequence, update media, enable link, group, image clips, everything here only. Clips. You can select and click it for anything. You can change it and enable merge, automation, restore, replacement. If you have a replacement, this is for replacement. If you have a replacement, then replace for here also. The sequence. Already know this is Premiere Pro. The Premiere Pro important will be sequence. How to create a custom sequence will be I already uploaded for that video in that previous video. You can check it for my YouTube page profile. You can identify. I was going for playlist for the Premiere Pro. You can check. You can identify that. How to set the customized sequence in the Premiere Pro. Okay. This is for the sequence will be sequence settings. Render will be work area. Work area will be you can arrange it and render for the work area also. And after another computer will be you have used means that also using for the. First open the Premiere Pro. Look like this. Then first will be open the new project. This is already I will do for the project. First will be create a new project. Look like this. Where will be do for save means the browse to which folder you will be choosing for the means you can choosing for here. Same like that, the name also choosing, and otherwise you will be not choosing for anything and click OK. Then look like this. Then after this is for the interface of the Premiere Pro. Then look like this. This is for the Premiere FI interface. Then you can choosing for that any kind of interface also. First you can I will explain for that file. This is a new project, themes, sequence, everything will be here only. You can create everything, the black videos, bar, tone, legend type, photo type, font, caption, color, matte, HD, transform video, everything will be here only. This is for the not important, but this is project, sequence project will be important. Then open project, all of them know about that Premiere Pro everything. You can choosing for the design structure and using for the graphics designer you want means everything know for that open project. Then open team project. This is already know. This is open project only if you know about assistant not important for open team project. So open recently. This is for the open recently project will be open. You can check, otherwise is not important for that. Convert to the premium clip project. This is for important but it's not important for now. Okay. Then close for close means control W already for control W and closing project also closing close all projects. If you can, many projects will be open. All projects suddenly totally will be closed. Means closing all the same. Save we already know. Save means controllers. We save. Save as means already saving. Otherwise, it be I can change for the saving file means control. Shift S means shortcut for the save as and save for copy. Same copy for other files. Control all this means save all. This is kind of already know. Let's see. Settings means manage settings. It's not important. We use see for the cloud. Everything will be internet will be. If you have means you can change. You can settings for the cache is not important. Adopt timing clickings. This is for not important for the link media. And this is for the new import appropriate composition. This is for the premium, but you can that Adobe will be same company for the software will be Photoshop Illustrator for premium appropriate. You can import for the appropriate composition which you can choosing for the here to that appropriate. Then import the image, videos, transition, everything you import means here only import control in shortcut. Import recently which you can import the recently files. You can check in for the import recently. You can click and so go for that also. The export this export you can complete the full package of the Premiere Pro settings, everything will be closed. This you can export the video. How to export here in file to export media. Control and insert. Otherwise no for the file cut to elaborate for the Premiere Pro. Now you can not import for the you can control and insert for that export video in Premiere Pro. Then going to properties to file means you can check it for the properties to that where it will change. Then project settings also. The scratch this will be fill means you can change for the scratch this, the capture video, capture audio, video preview, video audio preview, everything will be here. You can change for the browse to where will be changing for the you can folder. I will change for my works YouTube business paper video preview will same content for at 140 GB to everything. You can change for the general settings will be a scratch project settings. It's not important. Internet settings also. If you need, you can click it and change it for the review. In here means not need to project manager. This is for the project manager for the collecting copy new location. If you need for this location to another location, you can change for the project location. You can set it for that. If you one folder will be choosing, and after you can change it for the folder. This is for the Premiere Pro not identical. You can going for file and project manager to change for that collector everything you can. Okay, see for the easy way. Then exit for the QP and edit, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, paste attribute, remove attribute, clear, rebuild taking. They duplicate, select all, deselect, find, next, label, remove unusual, cancel duplicates, team, project, convert project to team project, keyboard shortcut, everything same like that. After also, you can know about the key frames will be changed for here and type it for that another key also means you can change for the shortcuts will be already no application command. See already D already have, so you can change for any kind of availability. You can the same you can use that sharply paste everything. You all of them know for the meaning also, and you can check it for the shortcut also. Control set, Control D, Control C, Control Shift V, everything. This means the duration, everything, the modification, video option, automation, sequence, update media, enable link, group, image clips, everything here only. Clips you can select and click it for any two. You can change and enable merge, automation, restore, replacement. If you have a replacement, this is for replacement. If you have a replacement, then replace for here also. The sequence. Already know this is Premiere Pro. The Premiere Pro important is sequence. How to create a custom sequence will be, I already uploaded for that video in that previous video. You can check it for my YouTube page profile. You can identify. I was going for playlist for the Premiere Pro. You can check. You can identify that how to set the customized sequence in the Premiere Pro. Okay. This is for the sequence will be sequence settings, render will be work area. Work area will be you can arrange it and render for the work area also, and after another computer will be you have used this, that also using for the render application. Add edit, this is for not important, but this is for the basic expression. So I will explain about the basic expression only, not for that example, not anything. This is basic example, basic simple Premiere Pro explanation. So this is for the apply video transition. If you have a video transition app in the outside, means you can import and apply for the video transition here. And left, extract, things, everything. No, extract also everything. No. See, if you have to extract for the videos, zoom in, zoom out, close, snap the timeline, everything here only. Snap the timeline means set the keyframe, select that only. Then changing for the next subsequence also. Delete tracks, add tracks, everything. Add tracks is the main part. If you have a single, only 4 or 5 tracks only. If you have add track, means here only sequence. Markers. Mark means make, mark in, mark up, mark clicks, mark selection, everything mark only. If you identify that mark, this is for the shortcut for that IOX, everything will be here. This is for that control no selection. That's those no clips will be here only. Mark it for here. Going to here, clear and clear out, add marks, everything here only. In graphics, install the motion graphics templates. Means if you have outside of the templates plugin will be installed, means after you can open the installation Premiere Pro templates and using for your footage. That replace font project. So same like outside, if you have means going for inside also you can check it for that. Then view, playback resolution, everything you have no full 1/2 or quarter half and quarter extra half. Same like that here also. If you have a sequence like that, then Windows workspace, if you know everything, workspace will be adding for the template. With graphics, LAN, laboratory, mental, color, audio, everything here only for the Premiere Pro selection. Okay. Then same like the maximum frame, add clips, audio meters, audio tracks, everything here only. If you have I want for effects, if you hide will be here. And after you will have one for events, if you have the event clear also. Same like that, if you have hide. See, this is for the main problem, so not hide. After if you have a changing for workspace to graphics, this is the best example for the graphics template will be changing for here. This is for the best. Here will be everything. Here will be effects, marker, HD, infinity will be here. This is the extension, graphics, laboratory, audio, effects, color, editing, assembly, landing. Everything here only. This is for the numerical audio effect control, everything here, and timeline also here only. This is for the easy example for that Windows workspace graphics will be everything same. If you have a default, if you have a changing for that any kind of area, means you can change for here also, and changing for the here also you can change your preference only. Okay, not for any kind of preference. Okay, this is for the template for the everything added. If you need means I can give them. And then went for here the toggle switches and changing for the Premiere Pro. First will be added for any kind of means still be added for the shape for the soil color to black. And you can change it for here and here. This kind of everything you can your preference only. My preference is this is for better by phone. And zoom in, zoom out everything here only. And same like the shortcut for the scenes shortcut it will be separate will be have means you can just set layer. I was going for here also. Then this is for the import bin. Bin means is a folder kind of created in the inside of the Premiere Pro. If you need this, average down default, you can change it for that. And here the new item. This is for important for new item. This is for sequence. Create a sequence or custom sequence everything here. Tracks, VR, videos, everything here. Only save presets also. If you don't see this, going for my profile, YouTube profile, you can check in for that. How to change for the presets also. And share project, offline file. And the adjustment layer, if you know about the adjustment layer, all of them you can choosing effects, everything will be all videos means you can create a custom for the adjustment layer and effect will be added for the custom layer. And same like that offline and bar tones, black videos, caption and color mate will be know about that HD bar tones and universal counting leaders, transparent videos, everything here also and here also everything. You can your preference only. Then drag it. Then media browser. This is for the where you'll be browse will be laboratory and this is for the internet connection will be if you have this. This is for the info for the sequence settings, color mate for the sequence settings and effects. Every effects will be here only. And audio effects, audio transition, video effects, video transition, presets, numerical preference, everything, climate changing, everything here only. You can check it for here also. This is for that project. First will be changing set for the. This is the custom presets. This is already know for already this default presets will be here. This is for customs. I will create this custom presets and naming for that your kind of preference and click OK. Then open the Premiere Pro. This sequence will be added. Then drag it for the color map to the inside the Premiere Pro. Sorry, first will be added. And change for that and drag it for the timeline. And zoom for your kind of preference. This is for the effects will be added. Then click it. Then effect control will be C. Geometrical color will be added means you can check it for here. So source clip means double tap to enable here. If you have any kind of works, this is for the double tap to source file will be reduced. This is the draft video only. This is for audio only. If you have if you need for this video going for video only means drag it and put it for here. Otherwise audio only means drag it and put it here. This is for the example for the only video, not for audio. This is for same like that for fitness everything. The zoom will be here. Then how to this here only I will want. Before I don't want means clear first will be selection, then clear here will be I means shortcut for here. This is O that finishing. First will be start and finishing will be. Here means starting and going for here. This is for my ending means for here and then drag it for here means only for this video only will be input for here. This is for simple shortcut for here and play everything fast. And add marker, you can check it for this is for my marking for placing means you can check it for here also, and you can insert for the any kind of area and overwrite also and export frame. This frame will be export means how to export here and export frame also. Numerical color will be you have added for the numerical color, then you for here and here will be can changing for the color and another color also you can change it for here color match and going for red and click OK. Then drag it for the timeline to here and click it for the red color will be selected, then will be adjust for the scale You can change for adjust position, scale, everything, rotation, everything here. Anchor point also, and flicker also you can change for here, and blending mode also here. You can choose. You can check it for the overlay, everything here also. And audio clip means if you have a left audio, right audio, and I think this is for the FAQ for the Premiere Pro editing for video editing. This is a professional software for that cinema field also. You can choosing for here this Premiere Pro only. Then same like the effect controls, everything here only. Then learning. This is for the learning to that everything here. Okay. This is for not important. If you have means important, you have check it for here, and everything here only. The same like that for source files only we have, and reveal for the area and timeline, audio, vibration, and flow in assemblies, and after assemblies. This is for full source files, media browser, markers, audio clippers, markers you have no, and laboratories, everything here only. Here only. Then same like for the editing also. Editing will be different, will be little bit, but same like that for graphics also. Only for essential graphics will be not included for the editing field. Otherwise not everything will be here also. If you have a cut and paste only, if you have means you can choose for here also. Then color. All of them know for color. Geometrical color will be added. Automatically will be added for here. Okay. If you add means this settings will be added for here also. That numerical effect will be added automatically if you adjust for the color. So if you need for color correction, going for color per workshop workspace, you can change it automatically added for the effect control to the videos. And same like that for you can filters. You can check it for the this is for the exposure, everything. The kind of filters will be. Your adjustment layer only, not for important. If you need, if you don't need, don't want. This is for your kind of then off on. Automatic color will be disabled if you have a color map. If you numerical color will be enabled, you can change for the color also. Same like the color correction using for the footage also. And effects will be blank, everything blank. If you have a effects will be separate layer, and media browser and effect control numerical is simple only. This is for easy kind of. If you have a beginner for the Premiere Pro, you have choosing for the effects only. You can identify all of them. Then how to suddenly will be gone for everything. Upside will be how to going for graphics, everything color correction is going for effects. Windows share workspace, going for graphics. It's automatically convert for the graphics and automatically going for enable for the landing assembly, enable color, effects, control, audio, everything here only. And laboratories, if you have a internet means you have a choosing for here. Otherwise going for graphics, better pay for everything. You have a little bit forward for the beginner after. Okay. Then how to change for here means this is for the essential graphics. Here the type, the text will be revealed means you can extra text, everything will be here. And this is for the move. If you have a reveal for the move means this is for the mask part for here. This is for not footage, so it can't move for here. also import for any kind of preference here and changing for here also. Here added for the mask. This is for the mask part. If you extend and move it for here means you have extensions. You need for extends, otherwise don't need for extends also. For your kind of preference only. And same like that for here also. You can change for here also. Okay. See for fit means not move for anything. Same like a slip tool. Slip tool means if you have a external point for here, and laser tool means click means it's automatically click for the hand, cut it for easy way. This is for easy connection will be added. Then same like the dribble tool. If you have a say cut and effect will be same distance everything means adjust for the click tool. And this is for track selection forward, and this is for all of the selection tool. See that then going for down means will be for the timeline. This is for the audio and video trackers. This is the lock means it's not using for edit. And same like the toggle strength means and mute. This is for mute, and this is for the 16 and then after you can now the video will be edited, then it will be added for the voice also. Here also record for here also. Then this is for the video in the side. I can say for that side that video tracks will not edit for not selection here. And same like that for here also, and scroll it for the seconds. And here also that adjust for the area for your timeline here only. For your kind of preference. And this is for that audio extractable area. Okay, then this is for that reveal and edit also. You can check it for here only. This is for the fit and zoom everything here only. For your kind of preference only. And same for here also, you can play and pause same like that. You can mark it for here and end it for out also. And same like that. If you all of the effect will be disabled, means single click will be all of them will be disabled. Then after it will be how to this effect will be not showing for if a beginner means open the Premiere Pro is not showing. How to enable means going for plus. Here will be button editor, everything here only. Reset layer also, you can everything here also. And check it and drag it for timeline. Drag it to that layer and click on it. Automatically will be added for that effects icon. And same like that, left extract, export the frame selection. This frame will be exported means how to click it and browse will be where will be choosing. And same with that name, and okay, it's automatically same for this frame. Photos will be automatically going for same in the JPG files. This is for the comparison view. Comparison view for this is for the same like that here also. You can play for here, and this frame will be added for the same like that copy and same paste. This means you going for same adjustment layer also. You can is useful for the frame also. Then click it and mask will be deleted, automatically deleted also. Hiding hidden for that everything here also. Same like that. This is for the full selection. You can check it for here also. This is for your preference only, not for important. Then going for here settings will be automatically alpha multi camera and closed space, so everything, show rules, everything here also. Then will be which frame and seconds duration out of the duration will be added. This is for the first frame will be added. Here also added for the frames. Then essential characters, if you have added for the text design scratcher will be added and changing for the size and position and center of the alignment, and drag it for the opacity also, and master selection and text font selection also. If you bold, regular, everything here only, and full, that apparent color will be full. Disable, enable, everything here only. Then stroke also, if you need first double click selection, then will be added for the stroke. Added for the stroke also if you need this. Otherwise, going for background, shadows, everything here only. Regular color also will be here. Everything here also. And layer also, shape layer also here will be added. This is for the most external. This is for default presets using for the templates. This is for editing profile also. Then added for here means insert the overwriting sequence will be individual clips. Otherwise, going for snap with the theme means if you cut it for first will be cut it. Then going for here will be disable. Then added for here means it's not to snap. How to clear means zoom and same like that for same like that. Otherwise, going for overlapping. How to this kind of effects will be how to mix. This is enabled. Then drag it means it's automatically snap. You can see for the snap. You can automatically see in this overwriting, but in this snap will be automatic. So you can easy to way for identity for the snap. This is for this end, and this is for this end, and this is for this end also. Everything here only. Got the snapping tool. Then link selection also. Then add mark everything no, and timeline display settings also you can change it for here, wireframe everything here also for your kind preference only. Then this is for that Premiere Pro selection, everything here. This is for basic selection, the master selection, everything here also, the down switches, the automatic duration settings, everything here also to your kind preference only. Then same like that. This is for home. Everything will be added for means home means you can check it for the home. You can need for another project also. You can going for here also. That open to everything here also. The 3 second settings will be allow them know. Going for if you have an internet, you can check it for here also. Then searching option is also here. This is for your kind preference only. Then added for the all panels, metallurgical edit workshop you can change it for here also. Same like that, sequence, markers, graphics, keywords, everything here. And export means going for export and media means Control M means shortcut for the media, and it will be revealed for here. Export and media. This is for the export setting selection. Then playing, this is for drag to, you can check it for this is for perfect video is okay, then will be okay means you can change it for here also. Then will be format, you can many format will be have. This is for H.264 inch best format selection, and high bit rate also you can your preference or going for medium preference only, not for reduce for this app also means is going for default every distraction and disappear everything also. And match settings will be automatically going for that. Output name is click it. Where will be choosing for the folder and changing for the name also here and save it. for your kind preference. And export video, export audio link, you can click it. Or is disabled for export video and disabled for export audio also. You can your preference only. Then in the video settings will be here, audio settings will be, multi-text will be, caption, public, safe text will be, regular settings will be here. If you need to change it for here also, kind of preference only. This for the things sample and queue, return queue, and this is for your kind of preference only. I think this is for better for AA and their custom city, high date rate, and change for everything. This is for the save presets also. If you need for this presets will be added the save presets also. This is import presets also, delete presets, everything here also. Then fit to scale, scale to fit, switch to fill. This is for output sources. This is for source. You need for crop and crop it also. This primarily I will export this. You can crop it here also. For your kind preference that work area, everything here also. That fit. You can check it for this is for reveal area only. That source only cut it for everything. Here will be audio, video, everything. Selection, everything here, depth, encoding software, hardware encoding, and everything, audio also, ACC, everything here also, export under queue. Only for export it's automatically firstly selection for that output name, then automatically click, it's automatically going for export. This is for the Premiere selection. This is for the output for the Premiere selection tools also. Then where will be changing for means this kind of only is changing for the Premiere file also. This is for the easy to the Premiere Pro basics explanation.
As this is beginner tutorial introduction in Premiere Pro. Then I guess that's it for this video. If you love this video, hit the like and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, most funny, hit the bell icon, you won't be miss anything. Thank you for watching and it's always let's do it.